What is up, jet setters? Now, I am going to go over $90,000 from one click. Is that a real thing that can happen, scam or not? And I'm going to look into this one affiliate program which claims you can make $90,000 from one click. Let's check it out in this thing. So is it really possible to make $90,000 from just one click online? Now, in this video, I'm going to go into one online income source that claims that you can make as much as $90,000 from a single click, and I'll analyze whether this is a scam or whether this is real and how it would feasibly be possible for someone to do this if it is possible. Woo! We ain't talking about no small money here. I love this money gun. So we're talking about $90,000. That's like 10 racks of these right here. And that's a lot of money. And to say you can make that from a single click, I'm going to analyze this affiliate program which claims to be able to make you $90,000 in commissions from just one click. Now we're talking about big money here, okay? We're talking about massive money. And there's only one place that this sort of money is actually even possible. Now, the only place that you can possibly earn commissions that are this large is from an industry called the financial services industry or the investment industry. And this is actually a space I got my start in because I was basically promoting gold investment companies. And I was helping people find out about these companies and invest in the one that I believed in most, the one I recommended, which was RegalAssets. Now, with this program, which is RegalAssets program, you can make 3% commission for any investment. So in order to make $90,000, I've done the math, you'd need to make a $3 million sale. Now, how do you find people that have that sort of money? Is that even legit? Can that even possibly happen? And an affiliate like me or you get paid for that? I'm going to check it out in this video. Now let's go on my computer real quick and see for ourselves inside this affiliate program. So first off, I just went to RegalAssets site here just to show you what it looks like. This is an investment company. This is a company that helps people take money that they have invested in their retirement account and move that money into alternative assets such as precious metals or cryptocurrencies, as you can see right here. Now, a lot of people these days are actually looking to diversify their portfolio out of stocks or cryptocurrencies and metals. So it seems like a fairly legitimate thing that people would be interested in doing. And there's a lot of money moving around in that space. In fact, trillions of dollars is changing hands each year in the investment space. And you can get 3% of that. So let's check this out. Now, their affiliate program is called RA Wealth Partners, which stands for RegalAssets Wealth Partners. And you can look right here where you can sign up to be an affiliate partner in the investment space. Now, this is not an easy program to promote because you have to be very targeted. You have to target people who have lots of money in their retirement accounts or in their investment accounts to actually make money with this program. And, RA Wealth Partners actually outlines who are their affiliates, who are the people earning these commissions from referring investments around. And they say online marketers, sales experts, wealth managers, financial planners, offline marketers, which means you're sending letters in the mail, or hedge fund managers. So really, you have to have some skills. You have to know what you're doing. This is not just a business opportunity for somebody who has no experience in the game. If you are just starting as an affiliate marketer, you're probably not going to do very well in figuring out how to target these very wealthy people who have lots of money in their retirement accounts and are looking to move it around into precious metals or crypto. And here we see the actual stats. We have 3% of sales right here. The average amount of money that is moved over into RegalAssets crypto and metals accounts is $65,000. And the average commission right here is $1,950. That's about $2,000 right there. And that's money you can make for just one sale. That's one click. That's one lead. All it takes is one person to fill out this form right here, requesting a free crypto and metal kit. That's all you need is one click, one lead to fill out their information, and their sales staff or their investment advisors follow up with, the person who entered in their information, and they help them move their money over into, crypto or metals, and you earn your 3% commission. Pretty cool. So one click earns you $2,000, but how do you get $90,000 in commissions? So now right here, just to give you an idea of the scale of money that's in the financial markets, and I'm going to go into a few different techniques to help you right after I show you this next thing, which will blow your mind. And if it doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what to say to you. But I'm going to show you a few techniques to target people, to put your links in front of people who have a lot of money to invest. But first, let's look at these numbers. Business referred, over $300 million of business has been referred to Regal Assets. Regal Assets is one of the fastest growing companies in the country. And it's because they're one of the only investment companies in this $27 trillion space that accepts affiliate marketers. And because of this, they have been on a skyrocket journey, taking over the affiliate marketing space and getting lots and lots and lots of investment at a fraction of the cost that these big companies are, because they're paying for TV advertisement and other inefficient forms of advertising. But you're going to want to check this out, because this is what's exciting. Look at this. On my screen right here, here's an example of a sale that resulted in a $90,000 commission. And this is a real check that Regal Assets received for $3 million in investment. That's a $90,000 commission right there. One click, one lead, $90,000. Now, this is not possible in any other affiliate program that I've ever heard of. I mean, frankly, this commission, you receive that in one day, is obscene. It's unbelievable. If your mind is blown right now, go in the comments and please just type in mind blown, because I mean, I've seen people talk about $100 a day, $1,000 a day. But $90,000 in one click is now possible. We can get it, okay? I want to make this clear. We can get it, and we can get it right now because there's an affiliate program that allows us to make this sort of income from this. So just go in the comments and type in mind blown and sub this channel, subscribe, click like, and make sure you enable notifications if you are getting massive value, because I'm about to go into a few ways that you can actually get these sorts of results, how you might be able to target these people, what the demographics are right now. So let's get into it, but first make sure you sub if you want to check out more content like this to make money online. Okay. Now, here I am in the Regal Assets Wealth Partners Affiliate Center. And what you'll see is what's really cool about this program is that they have a mentorship program. So when you sign up, you're actually going to be able to get additional training from me or the other mentors in this program. And as you'll see, some of my students have made a lot of money. You know, here's one of my students which made $287,000. Here's another student of mine which made $77,000. That's a lot of money. And you'll see there's a lot of marketing tools available to affiliates. So you'll see here landing pages. They give you all sorts of different landing pages. We can say gold scam, or, you know, will debt sink the ship, right? So you have different landing pages which you can use to advertise, which is really helpful. And in addition to that, you have, here's the crypto landing page. So all major cryptos now available in your IRA. People, this is revolutionary. This is like revolutionizing the financial system. I mean, it's two trends, right? It's like investment. You can make commissions for marketing an investment program, tapping into a $27 trillion industry, and you're getting to take advantage of crypto and the crypto trend, which, you know, I'm not big into crypto investing, but I believe that this is a marketplace that is not going away. You know, you see Facebook's Libra coin and all this stuff happening. It's definitely something that is going to happen no matter what, and you can be a part of it. Take a zero risk and just by marketing this program. So now, how do you market this program? Well, they actually give you some information in here, and you can check out the top 20 performing keywords here. Getting a blog ranked in Google search is a really good way to reach this demographic, right? People are searching for gold 401k rollover, gold investment companies, invest in Bitcoin, investing in Bitcoin, how to invest in cryptocurrency. You can create videos or articles or posts about these sorts of topics and try to rank in Google. There's many other methods, but this is just one method that you could use to get in front of these people to get these huge commissions. Now, let's check out the data profile analysis and understand a little bit about who these people are. RegalAssets has done a very good job of putting together information about their customer base. So one thing you'll notice here is the customer base is predominantly older. It's 55 and up. So we'll see right here, we have 55 to 75 plus years old. So people over the age of 55 are the ones that have money in their retirement accounts or in their investment accounts, which really makes sense, and that's who we're targeting. Look, young people are not the ones that have, you know, the big money where you can make $90,000 from a single commission. And if we look here, you know, these are generally speaking, you know, they're not uber rich people. So they're making between $60,000 to $200,000 per year. Okay, so we have this kind of mix of people kind of in the upper middle class right there. Okay, and if we go down further, we can see, you know, the audience is primarily Caucasian, primarily suburban, and also, let's look down here, and we see the audience is primarily Republican. So this gives us a better idea of who we're advertising to, and there's a lot more information in here, but I'm not gonna go too much deeper into here because I don't have a lot of time, but I hope this has educated you a little bit about how you can make massive commissions from one single click by tapping into this market. Now, if you want to get started with this affiliate program, you can actually click the link below this video in the description and sign up for RegalAssets Wealth Partners. They just launched the program, or they relaunched the program, so to speak. And this was the program which I actually used to quit my job back in 2012, which is kind of nuts that they relaunched this affiliate program. And now other people have the opportunity to take part in it. So I encourage you, check it out. If you're looking for big commissions, tap in a huge source of wealth, go where the money's at,